Greetings students. In this lecture, we'll talk about the hyperbolic functions, hyperbolic identities and inverse hyperbolic functions. First off, we have the hyperbolic functions. Now on your screen, we have displayed you some of the important hyperbolic functions along with their definitions, domains and ranges. It's important for you to learn all these as they are going to help you a lot in your entry test preparations. Hyperbolic functions are represented just like the trigonometric functions with the addition of an h. So it's important for you to read the question carefully in your entry test examination because you may mix it up. Moving on, we have the hyperbolic identities. Now, on your screen, we have given you some of the important hyperbolic identities. Now, if you note that these identities are just like the simple trigonometric identities, like if you see the first property, in trigonometric terms, we have cos square x plus sin square x is equal to 1. While in hyperbolic x, we have a negative in between the cosine and sine. All of these are proven identities, you just need to learn them by heart. Last off, we have the inverse hyperbolic functions. Now, on your screen, we have given you some of the important inverse hyperbolic functions along with their definitions, domains, and ranges. Inverse hyperbolic functions are not much important, but it is better if you have an understanding of these functions.